We present to you 807/55 Queens Road in Melbourne. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, which also has a study alcove, storage cage and a secure car space. There is communal facilities such as a pool and a gym. It is closed at the moment but will be open soon. Here's a large kitchen here. It's got stone bench tops, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage. Little study alcove here, so perfect for home office. Here is bathroom / laundry, which also comes with a dryer and basin, so plenty of space there for your washing machine. Got the shower over the bath. Here's your main living area. It's got heating and cooling. As you can see, it's quite spacious. Leads out to your large balcony. So linen cupboard here. First bedroom with built-in robes and mirrors. Here's your main bedroom. It's got your floor-to-ceiling built-in robes and mirrors. Quite large, spacious. Little alcove here. Again, you could put a little desk or even more storage, and a little balcony here. So, location-wise, St Kilda is just down the road. St Kilda Road is over there. So public transport is walking distance. South Yarra, Chapel Street, Turek Road. It's not far. Albert Park Lake is behind us. The city is not far.